Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix can't type in Windows 11 search bar or how to fix search bar not working here in your Windows or your computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows key and R key together, and by that you would be able to open the small window called Run. Okay. Here you need to type for regedit. Again, type for regedit. And the moment you have typed that, click on OK to continue. A user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to give permission on running the registry editor window. We're here, you need to copy a path link, which I'll be including at the description box below. So just have to copy it, Control C to copy, and paste it here at the address bar. Control V to paste and click on enter. So you would be redirected to the result, which is a key called search. Okay. So here you need to proceed at the center of the screen and look for a value data, which is this being search enabled. Okay. Again, look for a value data which is being search enabled. In my case, I have already here. Just have to change the value data into 0. Okay, and click on OK. But in case you don't have this value data, which is being search enabled, that may be a reason why your search bar is not working. You just have to do a right click, go with new, go with keyword 32-bit value, and type this being searched enabled and set the value data into 0. Okay? So let me just delete this since I have already here the being search enabled. Okay? So once done, you just have to close all of the paths that we have just opened. Close the registry editor window as well and restart your computer. So navigate to your start icon, click on it, go with your power options and go with the restart. Now there is a need to restart your computer in order to apply on the actions or steps that we have just performed earlier. So restart your computer and check if your search bar is now working this time, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.